Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE, and this is another weekly tech tip. Today we're discussing backups inside Zoho CRM. So Zoho CRM is cloud software, and what that means is that it runs on Zoho's servers on the internet. So we don't need to download an app to run Zoho, and there's nothing saved on our own computers. Okay, so Zoho makes sure that their servers are always backed up and they're always available at their end, so we can always access Zoho CRM. But what about if we want to store a copy of our own data? So to do that, they have a backup facility built into Zoho CRM. So that's what we're going to look at today. Okay, so I'm in Zoho CRM, and if I go to settings up here in the top right, then under data administration, you'll see I have data backup. So if we click on this, so the first time you come in here, it'll ask you to activate it, and when you do that, it then asks you to choose a schedule. Okay, so if you're on a standard Zoho One subscription, you get 2 free backups per month, and if you want to do more backups than that, you can purchase extra ones as well. Okay, so if we set up twice a month, which is the recommended, and then we can choose our day. So let's just choose, we'll leave it as Friday. Okay, and then we can set done. And so what this does is this sets up a schedule behind the scenes. So what's happening is every second Friday, the CRM will create a new data export file for you. Okay, so it looks like this. So it's called data001.zip, and it's a zip file, and it contains CSV files, which are exports of each of these modules across the top. Okay, so all of that data is stored in this data zip file. Also, if you're saving attachments in your CRM, so if you're saving things like PDFs or Word docs on your contact records, you'll also get an attachment zip file, and that contains all those files. Okay, so you've got those 2 files, and then what happens is every second Friday you'll receive an email once the file is ready for download, and the email looks like this. Okay, just tells you it's ready. Click here to download, and that just takes you back into this data backup section of CRM, and then all you do to actually download it is just click on the link here. Okay, and that just saves it. Okay, then it's up to you where you save it. So you might save it onto your external hard drive, or maybe onto your network, onto SharePoint. It's up to you where you save it. But that's the process for downloading the backup files. And so just be aware, this contains your data and your attachments, but it doesn't contain things like workflows or blueprints or functions. Okay, so I hope that's been useful for you, and that gives you a little bit of an insight into how to get backups of your own data, and I'll speak to you next time.